Hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry Guru. Myself Pratik Rana. Firstly, I really appreciate your suggestions, and as per your suggestions only, I came up with a new video which is Introduction to Polymer, Polymerization and the Degree of Polymerization. So let's begin with the video now. So here first question arises, what is a polymer? So polymer is defined as a substance which is built up of number of repeating chemical units held together by chemical bonds. So let us discuss some examples of polymer. Polyvinyl chloride PVC is one of a polymer. Polyethylene is a polymer, and also polyethylene glycol. So I have discussed three examples here. You can also see this figure. This is actually polyvinyl chloride, right? This is polyethylene, and this is ethylene glycol. So in these three examples, we can actually distinguish that in polyvinyl chloride, one chloride group is attached here, right? So the chemical unit in PVC is vinyl chloride. Okay, we can say this is a chemical unit or a monomer. In polyethylene, it is the ethylene which is actually the repeating chemical unit or the monomer. And in polyethylene glycol, it's ethylene glycol which is repeating. So now the question arises, what is a monomer actually, or this repeating chemical unit, and how a polymer is going to form? So let's find out these answers. So what is a monomer actually? A monomer is a molecule that can be reacted together with the other monomer molecules to form a larger polymer chain, or a three-dimensional network is formed in this process in the successive chemical reactions between the chemical units or the monomers, which is known as polymerization. And there is a term called CRU, the repeating units or the constituting, which are constituting a polymer molecule are called constitutional repeating units because they together constitutes a polymer, right? So again, we have taken the example of vinyl chloride. So this is the structure. You can easily identify that this structure is what actually the successive chemical reactions between the monomers is forming a PVC product. Okay, so PVC is formed as a product when these monomers react. So let's understand this concept more accurately. Polymer, we have already discussed that what is a polymer? A substance built by the number of repeating chemical units, the monomers held together by the chemical bonds, is called a polymer. Right? When we talk about the polymerization process, we know monomers are actually participating in the chemical reaction. These are the vinyl chloride monomers. So series of vinyl chloride monomers involved in this reaction in the process of polymerization, and they are forming a polymer called polyvinyl chloride. So I hope this concept is clear now. So now our next topic is the degree of polymerization. What is the degree of polymerization? Let's find out. So the degree of polymerization, it is defined as the number of monomeric units in a macromolecule or a polymer molecule. We represent degree of polymerization by small n or capital N. Now there is a term called high polymer. Okay, so what is a high polymer? This term high polymer is the polymer in which the repeating units is in excess about 1000. Okay, so that is called the actually the degree of polymerization. So like this, here you can clearly see that this N which is represented here, it is showing the degree of polymerization for the polymer, right? So this is the basic approach which we use for the degree of polymerization. Now let's find out how we are going to calculate the degree of polymerization. A polymer sample contains a distribution of chains with different degree of polymerization. Right, so that is the actual reason why we always take the average value for determining the degree of polymerization. So how we are going to do that? So this is the basic relationship between the molecular weight of the polymer, the degree of polymerization, and the formula weight for the repeating unit. So we take these weights in the consideration, the molecular weight of the polymer and the weight of the repeating unit, and if you know these two, you can actually get the degree of polymerization. Okay, so this by using this expression we can actually calculate that. So I hope the concept is clear. What is a monomer? What is a polymer? What is the concept of polymerization and the degree of polymerization? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe.